Once again, it's TNS trying to get the levels right. Freestyling and driving. Yeah, hip hop's alive, long as you got TNS, hip hop's alive. When you're looking at the game, it's a whole lot of lies. A lot of guys don't apologize, need to tell a lot of cries, people be crying out, now they dying out like the fire, wonder why they do expire. So TNS will make it so I never do perspire. You can say I never sweat, that you never forget, never catch a case of amnesia, nor narcolepsy. TNS will have them waking up, shaking like it's epilepsy. Now motherfuckers thinking that they could step with me lyrically. TNS will turn them to memories you never see. Nobody sipping Hennessy, bet they never pour it out. You motherfuckers gon' see your blood flow pouring out. If you wanna match me, Mr. Gladiator, TNS will leave a nigga raking like a radiator. Men to say leaking just like a radiator. TNS is a gladiator. I bet you motherfuckers freezing like a glacier. When you tried to match me, I'm gonna take them back to Asia, and then I take them back to Africa. Easily I battle you. TNS is tactical. You motherfuckers try to be more strategic. I leave them to paraplegics. You motherfuckers gonna be saying that you don't believe it. When you niggas was atheist, you niggas fake as shit. So now I gotta practice my wordplay. Do it every Thursday, Holy Thursday, David Axelrod. Bet I break the axles and the rods on your car. You motherfuckers really wanna be a superstar. So now you think you super hard, thinking that you was a diamond, but you barely was a quartz. You motherfuckers thinking you gallon, but barely a quart. So now I had to make it so motherfuckers support. Need an escort, talking about a car that was stripped by four. TNS a freestyle, vicious, I take it by force, so by war. Guarantee you let bygones be bygones. Bet you motherfuckers can't see the level I'm on. Even when I'm just practicing, trying to get my wordplay together. I bet you niggas like children gon' play together like I have a dream speech. Bet you have a nightmare. TNS will show motherfuckers my level's right there. That means it's right here. That means it's quite clear. Looking at the mirror, guarantee you gon' have a fear like a phobia. You motherfuckers thinking it's something that it's a utopia. Now I gotta show it's a situation where I make it better. I could break it down, try to be clever. You niggas gone till November, meaning that you disappearing like it's winter break. I bet you motherfuckers never could handle it till the winter break. Yeah, it's TNS one time, y'all. Now I had to show them since 199, y'all. 199, that means AD and domino. I don't play dominoes, so now these niggas gotta go. Thinking you got a flow, I barely think you got it. Thinking that I really doubt it. Bet niggas don't crowd around it. Think it was a cipher, guarantee I light you up, light them on fire. You motherfuckers gone perspire. I bet these niggas gonna be overdosing. These motherfuckers think they going from coast to coast, and I guarantee these niggas won't be coasting. They'll be playing in all four quarters. Guarantee you will get slaughtered, and I make these motherfuckers forfeit. Bet your style's counterfeit. Bet you I'ma counter it. Hit them with a left hook, break it down, textbook. Mr. Professor, take the tech off the dresser. Guarantee you motherfuckers gonna kiss and caress her. TNS will beat it up and eat it up, and then I greet her. Guarantee these motherfuckers can't deal with kilometers, and they can't deal with the leaders when I break them down to grams. You motherfuckers really don't know who I am. Damn.